She what?
She broke my car and my friend's car.
Okay. All right, I'll be over.
Oh my God. Stop. Everything wrong there. Stop.
She spit on you?
Yeah.
She kicked you?
Yeah.
Don't touch me, bitch.
Do you have her info yet?
No. She run into traffic, so we ran out and grabbed her.
On December the 8th, 2022, at approximately 2:53 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call about a woman who was throwing rocks at vehicle windshields and threatening people with a knife. The caller stated the woman was standing outside of a food truck and a daycare.
So this woman, she's wearing a black and white, like dress almost. She's a heavy-set, dark-skinned black woman with a purple,
Okay.
she's got like a purple thing on her head. So as I'm here, she throws a rock at my car. When I run after her, she shows a huge knife to me.
Is she still there?
She's still there. She's pacing in front of the entrance here.
And she still has that in her hand?
Oh, yeah, she's got it in her right hand. She's got a big knife.
When officers arrived on scene, they attempted to detain the woman, who proceeded to scratch one of the officers with her long fingernails, causing minor cuts on the officer's hands. She spit on the officers and also kicked the officers while they tried to place her in a cruiser. The woman was placed under arrest and slated on a charge of assault on a police officer.
Hey, sir!
He's not. He thinks he's head done. Oh my God. Stop. Everything wrong there. Stop.
Let me see your hands. Put them behind your back. Do you have any weapons on you?
I haven't done nothing wrong.
Okay, put your hands behind your back. I'm going to pat you down. Grab her arm.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back for us, okay? Hey, we want to help you, okay? Hey. We want to. Hey.
Can you stop and put your hands behind your back so we can talk to you? We're trying to help you out so you don't go to jail.
You want to pat her down? Ma'am, stop resisting, please. We got it. Thank you. Alright, hang tight for us. How are you running?
Was she diagnosed with anything? Okay.
She had something here, so what did you say?
Nailing me.
Yeah, you can do car. You can do car, 3 car. You can. You see, you crazy. It's no good.
Walk us this way.
Come on, we're gonna go this way.
Okay, look, it's too tight. What are you doing? Don't touch me, bitch. I'm going to. Don't. I'm a police officer. They're pretty good.
Stop.
Okay, this is too tight. What are you doing? Don't touch me, bitch. I'm going to. Don't. Alright?
Stop. Give me another car.
One of four. Can you send us another car?
Hey,
Stop. Stop trying to I don't give a fuck, bitch.
Here comes Ari, woman.
I don't give a fuck. I don't try to bring me here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you will.
No.
Officer, you crazy.
Oh, she's not gonna out.
She needs help.
No, your mama needs help, bitch. Man, you hurting my hand. You know they're too tight? They're too tight. They're too tight, bro.
Alright, I'll check them.
They're too tight. They're too tight,
good.
bro. No, because they're too tight. They're too tight. They're too tight. They're too tight, alright? They're too tight. They're too tight. They're too tight.
Okay, well, if you relax, I'll fix it, okay?
You got her. I'm gonna unlock the freezer and we'll put her in.
You right here, come on.
Oh, okay, I'll stay right here.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
Hi. You good?
Sir.
I already did. They're only sitting one.
they're too tight, bro.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Gonna finish. Gonna do pat down real quick. Spread your feet for us.
I have to do just a quick pat down. She keeps spitting. Yeah, she keeps spitting and trying to bite. So if you guys could just help him hold her,
Bro,
and I'm
they're
gonna.
too tight. They're
finish
too tight. You're
patting.
right behind my hands. They're too tight, bitch, babe.
She got a knife on her.
They're too tight.
Be advised, I'll be right.
Don't touch me.
Stop kicking.
What you gonna do, bitch? You me again? Don't touch my leg. Put your mouth out of.
Yeah.
That's not how you arrest people. I'm gonna do out of Canisa. I have keys in my key in there, bitch. Yeah.
I'll get you a medic.
Medic, bang. They're too tight.
Go ahead and get in
Alright,
there.
we'll deal with it in a second.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Flip around. Push it.
Not kick off.
Can we call for a wagon?
Go find a spit. This. Put a spit mask.
Hey, do you know what? Will you do it? I'm bleeding all over it.
Cut your legs up, please.
You out of my fucking car.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's nailed.
Put that on her head. There you go.
Sweet.
Sullivan for a laceration of the fingernail.
Did you do it intentionally or? Okay, then stop playing it and then we'll fix it. Okay.
Get her on her side.
You're okay. Hold on, She spit on you?
Yeah.
She kicked you?
Don't touch me, bitch. I'm
Do you
gonna
have her info yet?
She ran into traffic, so we ran out and grabbed her.
lying. Half the place. Lying. Bitch.
We're going to keep you on your side, okay, so you can breathe. There you go. Stay on your side. Future reference, that's back.
Huh?
That's back.
Oh, okay. Is that why it's not
Just
very tight?
there you go. No, that's right. You did it right.
Oh, okay.
Just gotta go down all the way.
Okay.
Let me know when you want to put it out. You're handcuffed, so I gotta help you out.
Alrighty?
But they say she's
They don't know, but mom is.
You gotta let me, I'm not.
Mom's right down the street, and they said she knows
What you
everything.
need to do, Beach,
Yeah.
get her info from
Got,
him,
yep, got it.
get her up on leads.
You want to stand up or not?
Okay. Hey, let's sit up to your. Let's go sit up on your butt. There you go. Let's stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stand up. All right.
We have a seat here, okay? Do you want to get her to the other side or
Other side. There you go. She what?
She broke my car and my friend's car.
Okay. All right. I'll be over.
Yeah,
These two right here.
yeah. See the right there?
Yeah.
This one and this one. Go, go. No.
Yep.
Here. Here. And this one too. Here. See?
Yeah. Which car is yours?
This is mine in my name. And this is my boss car.
Your boss's car?
Yeah, but it's
Okay.
not here.
Okay. Let me. You have your ID on you?
Okay. Right here. See the road? Right here. But
Okay.
it's not a big deal. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, just hang tight for me. I'll be right back over here.